Hello everyone, this is Anil Kumar. Today topic is mole concept, and in this I am discussing how to calculate mole and also how to find number of molecules and atoms by using this mole concept. So let us begin the class. Okay, in the mole concept, first let us see what is meant by a mole. So actually the mole is nothing but it is denoted by N, and I don't want to discuss all the basics. So the to calculate the number of moles, the formula is given weight by gram molecular weight. So this is the formula to calculate number of moles. And after calculating the number of moles, you can compare this 1 mole of any substance. It contains Avogadro number of molecules. So I am writing Avogadro number as 6.023 into 10 to the power of 23 molecules. So you have to remember this. And at the same time, 1 mole of any gas at STP, it is equal to 22.4 liters. This is at STP. So it is standard temperature and pressure. Standard temperature means temperature is 273 Kelvin, pressure is 1 atmosphere. So you have to remember these three while doing problems on mole concept. So number of moles, weight by gram molecular weight. 1 mole contains this many molecules, and 1 mole is also equal to 22.4 liters at STP. Now in the objectives, how the questions will be asked means, we will ask in some 4 grams of hydrogen. This is a question. 4 grams of hydrogen, find the number of molecules. This is the question. So we have to calculate number of molecules. So for the calculation of number of molecules, first we have to calculate the number of moles by using the given weighted molecular weight. So now to calculate molecular weight, you have to remember the atomic weights. So atomic weight of hydrogen is 1, and mostly he will be asking carbon is 12, nitrogen is 14, oxygen is 16, and then remember sodium 23, magnesium 24, aluminum 27, silicon 28, phosphorus 31, and then sulfur 32, chlorine 35.5, potassium is 39, and calcium is 40. At least try to remember these atomic weights. If atomic weight is more than this 20, or if he is giving some other elements, 90% he will provide the atomic weight. Even for these atoms also, these elements also, he will provide atomic weight, but at least try to remember these atomic weights. So now to calculate the number of moles, N is equal to weight. So weight is nothing but it is 4 grams by gram molecular weight of hydrogen. So hydrogen atomic weight is 1. So it is 1 into 2 into 1. So nothing but the molecular weight of hydrogen is 2. So we are getting 2 moles. So after getting 2 moles, just compare this. The question is how many molecules? 1 mole contains this many molecules, 2 moles contains how many? So see this comparison. So you have to compare in this way. 1 mole contains, I am taking this as approximately 6. 6 into 10 to the power of 23 molecules. And we got 2 moles. This is equal to how much? So just do cross multiplication and we get this x is equal to 2 into 6 into 10 to the power of 23, which is nothing but equal to 12 into 10 to the power of 23 molecules. Let us do one more problem. Same problem. Question is, find the number of molecules in 8 grams of CH4. This is the question. Now the solution for this is, so first thing is you have to calculate number of moles. So the weight of CH4 is given as 8, and molecular weight of CH4 is, carbon atomic weight is 12 and 4 hydrogens plus 4. So 12 plus 4 is 16. So 8 by 16. So this is equal to 1 by 2, which is nothing but 0.5 mole. And now we have to calculate number of molecules. So 1 mole contains 6 into 10 to the power of 23. So 0.5 moles contains how many? So cross multiplication, we get this as x is equal to 0.5 into 6 into 10 to the power of 23. So this is nothing but 3 into 10 to the power of 23 molecules. And instead of this, you can also directly use one formula. So the formula is, if the question is asked number of molecules, the formula is weight by gram molecular weight into Avogadro number. So Avogadro number is nothing but this 6 into 10 to the power of 23. So you can understand the concept, or you can also directly use the formula. So this is how we calculate number of molecules. Now let us see the question. Find the number of atoms in 8 grams of CH4. So before question is molecules. Now with the same values, the question is asked to find number of atoms. So for this also, what we have to do means, we have to calculate, first thing is we have to calculate the number of molecules. So let us find the number of molecules. So for that we have to calculate number of moles. So number of moles is equal to, weight is 8 by gram molecular weight is 16. We already know, we got this as 0.5, and for 1 mole it is 6 into 10 to the power of 23, and for 0.5 mole we get finally x is equal to 3 into 10 to the power of 23. This is molecules. So up to here it is same. Now if the question is asked to find number of atoms, so it is asked to find number of atoms, then what we have to do means, now see this CH4. In the CH4, count the number of atoms. So there is 1 carbon and 4 hydrogens. So total it is having 5 atoms. In the CH4 formula, the total number of atoms are 5. Now multiply this with 5. Multiply this with 5, then we get the number of atoms. So now we get number of atoms is equal to this 5 into 3, 15 into 10 to the power of 23 atoms. Or this can also be sometimes given as 1.5 into 10 to the power of 24 atoms. Sometimes in the questions what he will ask means here CH4 is given, and in the question he will particularly mention find the number of carbon atoms. So if the question is given only carbon atoms means multiply here with only one. And in some questions he will ask find the number of hydrogen atoms. So then you have to take this number of hydrogens as 4. So multiply this with 4. In our question it is total atoms. So total atoms means just count the total atoms present in the CH4, that is 1 plus 4, it is 5. So this is how we calculate number of atoms. Now let us see mole compared with volume. So this is question, find the volume of 2 moles of H2 gas at STP. This is the question. So whenever in the question it is given as moles, so you can directly take moles and compare with the volume. So in the beginning we said 1 mole of any gas is equal to 22.4 liters at STP. So take that comparison. So 1 mole of any gas contains 22.4 liters at STP. And in our question also it is at STP, but the number of moles are given as 2. So for 2 moles we can calculate. So we get this X is equal to 2 into 22.4 by 1, which is nothing but 44.8 liters. Let us see one last problem. Find the volume of 16 grams of SO2 at STP. So in this first you have to calculate number of moles. Number of moles is weight by gram molecular weight. Weight is given as 16 and gram molecular weight of SO2. Sulfur is nothing but 32 and 2 oxygens is 16. So 16 into 2. So it is 32. 32 plus 32. So total it is 64. So molecular weight of this SO2 is 64. So if you calculate this 1 by 4, it is nothing but 0.25. You can also take 1 by 4. So this is equal to 0.25 moles. Now our question is to calculate volume. So just compare 1 mole of any gas at STP contains 22.4 liters. And now we got moles as 0.25 will be equal to how much? So this is 0.25 into 22.4. So if you multiply this, we get 5.6 liters, or sometimes in the options he will give as 5600 milliliters. So this is all about mole concept, and by using these examples you can try some more problems, and that's all for the day. Thank you.